pull up three straight away. Oh my goodness.
But he was able to make it anyway.
Oh, Caraco. Big three-pointer there for Andre Caraco. Steps back, fades away. That is good. Andre Caraco goes up for three himself, and Andre Caraco gets into Caraco. Caraco three. Caraco with a three.
Joshua Andre Carakot, or mas kilala bilang si Andre Carakot. Siya ay pinanganak sa Lucban, Quezon noong January 30, 1996. Noong bata pa lang si Carakot ay palagi na siyang dinadala ng kanyang tatay sa basketball court. Ang tatay niyang nagturo sa kanya kung paano maglaro ng basketball at doon nagsimula ma-expose si Andre at ma-inlove sa larong basketball. Noong high school, naglaro si Andre para sa San Beda Red Cubs. Naging magandang stint ni Andre sa San Beda dahil nanalo siya ng multiple championships at multiple Mythical 5 selections with the team sa NCAA Juniors. Isa din sa mga highlights ni Carakot dito ay during his senior year nung NCAA Junior Season 90 ay pinangunahan niya ang San Beda Red Cubs versus Mapua Red Robin sa finals. Nang nagtala siya ng 30 points, 9 rebounds at nasungkit nila ang championship. He is also awarded as finals MVP on that game. Naging part din pala si Andre Carakot ng FIBA Asia Under-16 at Under-18 Championships na nagpapatunay na isa siya sa mga best high school prospect that time. After finishing his last year as a Red Cub with a championship and establishing himself as one of the best high school player, madaming schools ang nag-offer kay Andre. Despite ang mga offers, pinili ni Andre ang De La Salle University dahil dito niya pinakagusto maglaro. Noong 2015 at rookie year ni Andre Carakot sa La Salle, ay nagkaroon agad siya ng immediate impact with the team at naging part din kaagad si Carakot ng rotation. Nanalo din si Andre ng UAAP Rookie of the Year with an average of 9.4 points, 2.6 rebounds at 1.3 assists per game. Nung sumunod na taon, natalo nila ang Ateneo Blue Eagles sa finals at nasungkit ang championship. Isa sa mga key players nila dito ay ang MVP na si Ben Imbala, Jeron Teng at Aljon Melesio. Naging vital din ang role ni Andre Carakot during their championship run. At sa mga sumunod na taon, naging captain na ng team si Andre at stable pa din naman ang kanyang performance. Ngunit sa last 3 years ni Carakot sa La Salle, ay bigo na silang manalo ng championship at hanggang semifinals lang ang naabot nila dahil na din sa palagi silang kinakapo sa dulo. After ng stable na stint ni Andre Carakot sa La Salle, ay nag-decide na siyang mag-pro at sumali sa Alab Pilipinas ng ABL or ASEAN Basketball League. Naging bahagi si Carakot ng team para palaksin ng backcourt nila at sa shooting ability na din ni Carakot. Noong 2019-2020 ABL season ay ang debut ni Andre Carakot sa Alab Pilipinas at pinakita ang kanyang playmaking at shooting prowess. Madami din siyang natutunan kay Jason Brickman na isa sa mga elite guards ng liga at pati na din kay Coach Jimmy Alapag that time. Ngunit hindi natapos ni Andre Carakot ang kanyang season sa Alab Pilipinas dahil noong March 2020 ay nasuspend ang ABL due to COVID-19 pandemic at tila ba nasuspend din ang buong basketball community dahil dito. After ng stint ni Andre sa Alab Pilipinas at under control na din ng COVID, nag-decide na siyang sumali para sa PBA Draft. On March 14 at the PBA Draft Season 47, napili si Andre Carakot as 23rd overall pick ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters.
Rain or Shine selects Andre Carakot.
You know, I think because he's used to playing in the big stage, can easily transition in the PBA.
He's not going to turn the ball over a lot of times. He's going to set the table for you if you run an offensive system.
At nung 2021 PBA Philippine Cup ay ang debut ni Andre Carakot kung saan naging off-the-bench player siya at naging backup guard para kay Ray ng Batak. Ang average niya at that conference is 4.8 points, 1.2 rebounds at 1.2 assists per game, shooting 32% from the field in 13.8 minutes per game at 25% naman at the 3-point line, showing his playmaking and shooting potential at that conference. Fast forward ngayon 2024 PBA Philippine Cup Conference, nagbungang hard work at pagpapractice ng gusto ni Carakot sa kanyang game nang naging malaking part ng rotation si Andre at nagkaroon ng bigger role sa team.
Big three-pointer there for Andre Carakot, finding Tree Treadwell.
What a pass.
X3 champion with the Philippines franchise as well. Trailer 3, Andre Carakot, you saw the confidence.
He's quite young to have a gout. That's very rare.
Goes at it by himself, and Andre Carakot have a corner.
Ang average ngayong conference ni Andre Karakot ay almost 12 points, 2.4 rebounds, and 4.4 assists per game, shooting 40% from the field and 35% beyond the arc. Continuing to be upcoming star ng liga at nagugulat ngayong playoffs with his team na rain or shine Elasto Painters. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Ang story ni Andre Karakot ay nagpapatunay na practice really pays off, kaya patuloy natin siyang subaybayan at suportahan sa kanyang PBA journey.